This one here is the 10-inch bracket. And this is very heavy. This one, it didn't come with anchors. Make sure you either buy anchors or screw into the stud, and that will be it with that. All right, you guys, so you can obviously see that there is a difference. Now, I like this. This is like a, you know, the matte black. We love matte black in this house. So I think I was out of my mind thinking that the 5-inch may do this. So the 5-inch will definitely be used on other shelves in the house. So we will use the 10-inch. Now, one thing I'm gonna let you know that the 10-inch shelf bracket is very, very heavy. Like, so when it comes in and you feel the box is real heavy, this is it, all right? Because I was like, why is this box so heavy? And this is a strong piece of metal. All right, it's time to start putting this thing up. Have to take y'all down because I have to use the laser. All right, you guys, so here we go. We have the cubes up in the air, floating cubicle. All right, this is the left side, this is the right side. Now, it took us a little while because this side has a different thickness and we want it to be level with this side. So one of these we got from IKEA, and then I think it was like a few months or a year later, we got one from Target. Now, which one is IKEA and which one is Target, I don't remember. They don't even have nothing to indicate where you got it from. So, yeah, that was years ago anyway. So, that's how it is right there. Floating. And those are the 10-inch brackets. Now, remember, this is not real wood, compressed wood. So, we do have the screws in there, but the screws are not really... It's just to stabilize it, because if you have this up without the screws, the top will lean just a little bit, but not too much. But my wife said she don't want it to lean at all, so we put the screws right here. So the screws are just a support. Now, we are ready to put stuff back in.